Welcome to the nursing tricks. Basics are the basics and you can't skip the basics. Today we have to discuss about MCQs of nervous system that are briefly explained in the previous video. First is body system that controls and coordinates all body activity. Options: endocrine, musculoskeletal, nervous and reproductive. Answer is nervous system. Second, the supportive cells of the nervous system are option T cells, stem cells, glial cells, and astrocytes. Answer is glial cells. Third is macrophage cells in the nervous system are options microglia, astrocytes, neuroglia, oligodendroglia. Answer is microglia. Fourth, in spinal cord, myelin sheath is formed by Schwann cells, oligodendrocytes, osteocytes, microglia. Answer is Schwann cells. Nervous tissue. Option is covers body surfaces, specialized to contact, contain collagen fibers, contain glial cells. Answer is contain glial cells. Sixth is central nervous system is consist of option brain, spinal cord, brain and spinal cord, spine only. Answer is brain and spinal cord. Seventh, basic structural and functional unit of the nervous system is nephron, cytoplasm, proton, neuron. Answer is neuron. Eighth is branched process of neurons are axon, myelin sheath, dendrites, synapses. Answer is dendrites. Ninth is what is a specialized nerve cell? Option neuron, axon, dendrites, nucleus. Answer is neuron is a specialized nerve cell. 10th is which one of the following does not act as a neurotransmitter? Option cortisone, acetylcholine, epinephrine, norepinephrine. Cortisone is not act as a neurotransmitter. Which of these is an example of a neurotransmitter? Option only dopamine, only norepinephrine, only acetylcholine, yeah, all of these. Answer is all of these. Examples of neurotransmitter are acetylcholine, epinephrine, norepinephrine, also known as noradrenaline, glutamate, histamine, dopamine, gamma aminobutyric acid, also known as GABA, and serotonin, 5-hydroxytryptamine. 12th is all of following are neurotransmitter except dopamine, GABA, serotonin, and troponin. Answer is troponin. 13 is neurons that release acetylcholines are refers to as option adrenergic, cholinergic, preganglionic, none of the above. Answer is cholinergics. Explanation: a nerve neuron that release acetylcholine neurotransmitter at synapses when it transmits an impulse called cholinergic nerve. And second is a nerve whose axons release norepinephrine neurotransmitter from their terminals at synapses called adrenergic neurons. 14th is site of transmission of message from one neuron to another called option dendrite, synapse, axon, none node of Ranvier. Its answer is synapse. 15th is CSF is produced in option choroid plexus, arachnoid villi, medulla oblongata, optic disc. Its answer is choroid plexus. 16th is meninges are the covering of option brain and spinal cord, lungs, kidneys, heart. Answer is brain and spinal cord. 17th, the middle layer of meninges is dura pia mater, arachnoid matter, choroid plexus. Answer is arachnoid matter. Explanation: the correct order of meninges from inside towards outside is PAD, pia mater, arachnoid matter, and dura mater. The trick is PAD. 18th is the part of brain which is responsible for the coordination of movement is option is brainstem, cerebellum, thalamus, hypothalamus. Answer is cerebellum. 19th is part of brain that helps in maintaining posture and equilibrium is option medulla, cerebellum, cerebrum, thalamus. Answer is cerebellum. 20 is respiratory center is situated at which part of brain? Option is medulla, pons, cerebellum, thalamus. Answer is medulla oblongata. Hope you learn something about this MCQs. Next part soon. Thanks for watching.